I want to show you a few websites that pay you to play video games. This is not going to replace your current income. This is just a quick, easy, fun way to make some extra money. Welcome to Currency Comps, where I cover all things money. Before we start, I just want to say every app I cover today is going to be linked in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. So let's go. Let's check out a few apps and websites that pay you to play video games. So the first one is called Free Cash. So with freecash.com, you can earn up to $320 per offer, and there's 12,787 available offers as of this video, and a total of $79 million of earned free cash money. Look at this one. Play and earn $120, earn $246, earn $228, earn $253. Free Cash has a Trustpilot score of 4.5, which is pretty high compared to a lot of these other gaming apps. One comment here says, "It's too good to be true. In 11 days, I've made $70 off of one game." This person here said, "I spend about 1 to 2 hours after school and make about $35 a week. I actually made $20 in the first 2 days." So while this is not a real high paying app, it's a real paying app. Let's go to the next one. Next is Tester Up. Same as Free Cash, the games are always rotating, so you always have fresh games to test. With Tester Up, you can earn up to $120 per test offer. Each member receives over 50 offers to test, worth over $800 immediately after completing free registration. And you'll be able to take surveys, play games, different apps, products, as well as cosmetics and much more. Cash out directly into your PayPal account. Tester Up has a Trustpilot score of 4.3. This person here said, "It took me about a week to get $70. I played games like Lily Gardens and Yahtzee and got $82. This person said, "I spent a month playing the game and earned $214. I just cashed out $136. It took 3 days for it to show up in my PayPal account." Next up, and you've probably heard of this one, Swagbucks. With Swagbucks, you can earn points that you can redeem for gift cards. There's a ton of different games here to test out, and when you sign up for Swagbucks through the link in my description, you'll receive a $10 bonus. Swagbucks has a Trustpilot score of 4.1. Now let's see what people are saying on Reddit. "I did Mafia City for $100. Ended up spending $40 on various packs to complete the task quickly. I was still happy with the $60 profit. The first was Scrabble Go, which paid out $10. The second was Dice and Buddies that paid out $22. Next is Cash Giraffe. Now I wasn't able to find a Trustpilot score on Cash Giraffe because they don't have an actual website. They only have an app, meaning you have to go to the App Store and download it. But no Trustpilot score, and the only reason I am recommending it is because I found a lot of good reviews on Cash Giraffe. But it does have 4.4 stars on the Play Store. This person here said, "I was able to make about $65 per day from Cash Giraffe." So again, people are getting paid out real money. The next one is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is comparable to Swagbucks. With Inbox Dollars, you can also make money in other ways, like watching videos, printing coupons, scanning products in store, taking surveys, and more. I also have a link where you can receive 5 bonus dollars when you sign up. This person here said, "I started playing Monopoly Go on Inbox Dollars. My husband started playing around the same time. They paid him for each level that paid out. First was 50 cents, the second was $14, the third was $35. This person here said, "It's only $20, but it's so easy." So there's a lot less reviews on Inbox Dollars versus Swagbucks. They do have a Trustpilot score of 4.1. I try to make this video as short as possible because time is money, right? Links in the description. Thanks for watching.